I honestly didn't expect 2026 to be this good for 1 to 400 scale collectors. We've already seen exciting new molds, stunning liveries and models that have completely exceeded expectations. But only 7 have earned a place on today's list. So sit back as we count down the very best 1 to 400 scale model airplanes of 2026 so far. Starting off the list, we have this stunning Boeing 777-300ER from Qatar Airways in the Formula 1 color scheme. This model has been made by multiple manufacturers, but the best to me is definitely the NG Models version. Not only is it more detailed than the Aviation 400 and the Phoenix version, but it also comes as an Ultimate Collection release with a fancy box and of course this sleek looking stand. Last year NG Models have updated their 777s with a more accurate APU exhaust, which means their 777s are now, in my opinion, the best option in 400 scale. The Formula 1 livery is very attractive color scheme, especially with the matte finish on the top of the fuselage, and NG Models have absolutely nailed it. Overall, this model turned out beautifully and is a must-have for any collector who likes Formula 1. Number 6 on the list is the smallest 1 to 400 scale model in my collection, and I absolutely love how tiny it is. I of course got the Swiss Air Force FA-18 as I myself have served there, but there are also other great options like the iconic Blue Angels Hornet. These models are made by the brand 3D Design Deck and they have specialized in making some of the smallest models possible in 400 scale. It's amazing that we're finally getting military jets and also more regional aircraft in the scale, and in case you haven't gotten a 3D Design Deck model yet, I can only highly recommend them. They are 3D printed from resin, allowing for some incredible detail on such small planes, while also keeping the price very affordable. If you want to know more about this exciting brand, you can also check out my video on 3D Design Deck, where I take a more in-depth look at their models. Up next is a very exclusive model that you can only get at my favorite model airplane shop in Switzerland. Of course, I'm talking about the airmail exclusive Boeing 747-300 from Swissair. I picked up this stunning flaps down version, but there of course is also a regular version with the flaps retracted. The models are made by HX Models using their brand new 747-300 mold, which is by far the best we have ever seen in 400 scale. This Swissair example is incredibly detailed and a chocolate striped livery is an all-time classic. If you have a soft spot for retro models, you should really consider getting this one. They are still in stock at Airmail Flugzeugmodelle together with many other rare and exciting model airplanes. If you're enjoying this video so far, please drop a like. I spend a lot of my free time making these videos and your support really means a lot to me. Back to the video. Number 4 is the YY Wings KLM MD-11 from earlier this year. To me, this is the best looking MD-11 there has ever been. The bright blue with the iconic crown on the vertical stabilizer, what's there more to say? The model was made using the excellent HX model mold, making it by far the best KLM MD-11 ever made in 1 to 400 scale. It even comes in a flaps down version if that's what you fancy. To me, this model has a very special meaning, as flying on a KLM MD-11 as a little kid sparked my interest in aviation. The model is very popular and is sold out almost everywhere. So if you still see it somewhere for a good price, do not hesitate to buy it, as it really is worthy of a place in your collection. Starting off the podium, we have the NG model Swiss A350 in the beautiful Wanderlust livery. Just like with the Qatar 777, this model is available as an Ultimate Collection model. It's Swiss' very first A350 and it wears this amazing color scheme featuring famous cities and places in Switzerland. It's miles better than the JC Wings and Phoenix Models version. The A350 mold from NG Models is amazing and the printing and amount of detail is way above the competition. NG also made one in the standard Swiss colors and that model is equally as good. These are two excellent models, well worthy of being on this list. On the number 2 spot we have the two recently released Iceland Air 757s, also by NG Models. Once again, I picked up the more premium Ultimate Collection models. We all know that the NG Models Boeing 757s are some of the best models in 400 scale period. But when you combine them with two of the most beautiful and iconic liveries, you get something very special. These two Iceland 757s are among the very best model airplanes ever made, especially when you get the premium version with the stand and the beautiful box that is a masterpiece on its own. These models are selling out quicker than I have ever seen, so if you don't want to miss out, you should hurry up. Before I unveil the best model of 2026 so far, here are a few honorable mentions. And the best model of 2026 so far has to be the Patriot Model 747 Space Shuttle Carrier. This model combines the world of aviation and space travel. The model is beautifully made and features plenty of detail. Especially the space shuttle is very impressive with its accurate shape and stunning printing. If that wasn't already enough, the model also comes in a super premium feeling box together with a collector's card, a postcard and a high quality metal stand. It's one of the most iconic aircraft to ever fly, and to have it as a highly accurate model at home is very cool. It is rather expensive though and therefore not affordable for every collector, which is a bit of a shame. Nonetheless, it's well worthy of first place on this list. In case you want to know more about this amazing model, I have previously done a full review on it that you should now see on the top right corner of your screen. So those are my top 7 model airplanes of 2026 so far. Now I want to know from you, which ones are your favorites? Let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to answer every single one of them. I'm very excited to see what the second half of this year will bring us. If the year continues like it has up until now, then we're in for a great time. Don't forget to subscribe to Swiss 400 for more interesting model airplane content, and if you want to keep watching, here are some more amazing videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye, aviators!